Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a restaurant menu in Wix Restaurants. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the design site, and in the top right corner also, we have the setup, we have the home screen, the settings, and of course, as always, we have the dashboard where we are at the very moment now. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a restaurant menu in Wix Restaurants. So to do that, you just need to go and follow these steps. So firstly, go and access Wix Restaurants menu. So go to your site dashboard and navigate to Wix Restaurants and select menus. Then create a new menu. Click on plus add menu and add your menu. Then you have to add your menu sections. So click up again plus new sections to add some sections like appetizers, main courses, desserts, etc. Then add your dishes. That's really important also. So within each section, click plus add a dish and add dishes. Then customize your menu. Use the settings tab to choose what information to display. For example, price, dish options, etc. And then preview your menu to ensure it looks good on different devices. And once satisfied, publish your site to make the menu live for your customers, which you can do in the top right corner of the screen, of course, by clicking on the publish button. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys!